Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening a blank workbook and creating a clear table. Date, time, location, reporter, incident type, severity, description. Use data validation to build drop-downs for incident type and severity so entries stay consistent. This prevents messy analysis later. Once done, format date and time cells and convert the range to a table to enable filtering and structured references. Make sure to lock header rows and name the table. That gives you stable references for formulas and pivoting as incidents accumulate. Next, automate common tasks so you spend less time managing entries. Create a unique incident ID using concatenative date and a sequence. Add IF formulas to flag high-severity incidents automatically. Use countifs to show running totals by type or severity. Once formulas are in place, protect formula cells with sheet protection while leaving input columns unlocked. This prevents accidental overwrites. Also add helper columns for status, assigned person, and resolution ETA so tracking and handoffs remain explicit and searchable. To finish, summarize the data with a pivot table and add slicers for date, incident type, and severity so stakeholders can filter instantly. Create simple charts pinned to a dashboard sheet and export as PDF for formal distribution. Save a timestamped backup copy to preserve history. If things go wrong, troubleshoot methodically. Check for locked ranges preventing edits, broken formulas from renamed headers, or corrupted validation lists. If necessary, restore the last good version and reapply validation. That usually fixes common issues fast.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.